Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Meet top 10 most beautiful Big Brother Naija female housemates. Big Brother Naija, the most popular reality TV show in Nigeria, is well known to feature beautiful housemates as we have seen over the years. The reality show has housed female housemates of different personalities across Nigeria. The pretty, gorgeous, elegant, scintillating and much more. After so much consideration, we have decided to bring you this list of top 10 most beautiful Big Brother Naija housemates we have seen over the years. Below is our top 10 most beautiful Big Brother Naija female housemates from the very first season to date. Don't worry if your favorite housemate didn't make the list. We could only stick with the best 10. Okay guys, number 1 on the list is Kim Oprah. Full name Chinonso Ibinabo Oprah, the 25-year-old, born 15 December 1995, TV presenter and model, was one of the housemates on Big Brother Naija Season 3 Double Wahala edition. Kim Oprah has previously represented Nigeria at the Miss Intercontinental World Beauty Pageant in Philippines. Number 2 is Mercy Lamborghini Mercy. Mercy Ike, also known as Lamborghini and Queen of Highlights, born 29 September 1993, is an actress, video vixen, and entrepreneur from Imo State. She won Big Brother Naija Season 4, becoming the first female to win the reality TV show. Number 3, Precious Yanuda Yashim, born 28 February 1996, is an actress and model from Kaduna State. The petite, cool, and calm Diane was one of the Big Brother Naija 2019 Pepe Dem housemates. Number 4, Tasha. Full name Anita Natasha Akide, born 23rd of December 1995, popularly known as simply Tasha, was no doubt the most controversial housemate of Big Brother Naija 2019. She is a perfect example of a moderately endowed African woman that doesn't let her stretch marks, flaws get to her or stop her from loving herself. Number 5, T-Boss. Full name Tokunboy Idowu, well known as T-Boss, is an actress, model, and mother of a beautiful baby girl. T-Boss was one of the housemates in the Big Brother Naija 2017 reality show, which took place in South Africa. Number 6, Venita. Full name Venita Akpofure, born on 23rd October 1986, is an actress and model and also a mother of 2. Venita was one of the housemates on Big Brother Naija Season 4 Pepe Dem edition. Number 7, Alex. Full name Alexandra Sandra Asokwa Amuche, born 15th February 1996, popularly known as Alex Unusual, is a model, dancer, and actress. Alex was the 3rd runner-up of the Big Brother Naija Double Wahala edition. Number 8, Esther. Full name Esther Olua Alao. Number 8, Esther. Full name Esther Ola Olua Agibinde, born July 1, 1997, is a lawyer who was called to bar at the age of 21. Esther is also a fashion entrepreneur and one of the housemates on the Big Brother Naija 2019 Pepe Dem edition. Number 9, Sisi. Full name Cynthia Nwadira, popularly known as Sisi, is a former Big Brother Naija housemate and first runner-up in the 2018 Big Brother Naija TV reality show. She is a lawyer, a model, actress, and fashion enthusiast. Number 10, Kafi. Kafi Karim is a Nigerian-born British policewoman with the Metropolitan Police UK. She is currently engaged to Gedoni Apata. The lovebirds who met at the 4th season of the Big Brother Naija house got engaged 2 months after the show.